Get it? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? Cool. I know. I'm sitting here enjoying this weather. Finally, the weather has broke where I live at. I live in Connecticut, so for the weather been really snowing and snowing. It's not fun working on cars when it snows. So I'm sitting here warming up my car, and I get to do lights in my girlfriend's car. These LEDs I got off of eBay. I would actually install them in a few minutes, and then I am going to the storage. I am going to put a brand new oil pan in it. I'm trying to think my brain is so flustered right now, but I got an oil pan that I ordered a couple months ago. I should have been done it, but didn't get to do it. But other than that, I'm gonna install these lights on our car and put the oil pan in the Honda. Hopefully I can do some more stuff because it is so beautiful. You know, you ever been just need to, I need to go somewhere else. I need to go like out of the state somewhere. Of course, with this crazy mess of quarantineness. Oh man, just want to send that energy out to people that's still looking at my video. I appreciate it. Send that great energy to people that supported me. I endure it. It's gonna be more fun this year. Last year was like this year I'm pushing myself to do a little bit more. And I will check about you. I'll check in later. We're gonna do the lights that I got for my girlfriend's car on her car. She has a 06. It's 06, right? Yeah, it's 06 Subaru. So I'm just doing some headlights, LEDs, fog lights, swapping those out. Those are like the green. She wanted the green ones, and them jokers are bright. I don't know who it was made by, but again, I gotta put those in there. Faces don't mean nothing, but I think she left me. No, she's feeding the birds. Hey, stop feeding the birds my good bread. She says what? I'm feeding my. All right, so anybody that's done keto, that's like my girlfriend's on a keto diet, and she's doing very well about it. And so she's feeding the birds the last butt bread, and the keto bread is like $4 a pack. It's better than Wonder Bread, but still. Look at she. To show you. Maybe I don't know if I can see her. I'll show you. She's feeding the birds. She always want to feed the birds. She's feeding the birds. All right. Pop out. See you later. What's up again? So I'm in the storage, which is wonderful. Try to put them lights in my girlfriend's car, but unfortunately they didn't work. Too much glare. Alright, I gotta go back this way. Ah, perfect. So, yeah, it didn't work out like I thought it was, but it's all good. So, like I said before, I'm gonna put the oil. Sitting here messing with my bumper. Put the oil pan in today since it's a beautiful day, and you know, since I'm off of work, which is cool, but I want to get this car up and running by a certain time, and out and out the way, and up and out the way, which is cool. Well, other than that, everything's cool, kosher and collective, and it's fun to work on my car again since last month was ugly of snow. But anywho, I will show you what I'm working on, and I'll get back to you later. So as you can see, I took this out. This is the old one. Oil pan, which is kind of all the gaskets pretty much damn near going. Holy crap. Well, this is how long the car been sitting, so. And this is the new one. I don't see nothing, no type of metals in it, so let's see what happens. We dump it out. Yeah, just dirty. Look at there. Ugh. Just dirty. And the reason why I had to get a new oil pan, because I think I stripped the bolt. Yeah, because the bolt wouldn't come out for that. Yeah, the bolt was. Ugh. Yeah, this one not come out for. This one not come out, so I could change out the oil. Just want to see something real quick. Yep, so that's my old pan, new pan. Woo, boy, this is so fun. So fun. It is so nice outside. Take you out to the outside. Oh, it's so nice outside. Yep, I gotta focus myself. Yeah. Yep, too much shoes. There you go. Yeah, so this weather's nice actually. Pretty nice. So, yeah, so that's getting done. The oil pan, swap that out. Like I said before, because of the bolt. Somehow I either stripped it or it just wasn't stubborn enough, it wasn't like coming out. So it's cool. The new oil pan, hopefully it fits. Most likely it probably will. Because I got it off of eBay, so cross fingers. What else I gotta do to this car? So I don't really got that much. Well, I lied. I do. Still got a lot of stuff to do to the car, so yeah, I'll just show you the whole process. I wasn't going to do the whole, you need this size socket for this size nut. You got to figure it out. That's what I've always been doing. Figuring it out. But I got to do one more thing. I actually got to take out the oil filter. I have to take out the oil filter and drain that out. That's going to be fun. Hondas. I appreciate them. It's a hard work on these damn cars. Shit. I just need me a nice little garage. Alright, catch you back in a few. So I finally finished putting the oil pan up on the Honda Civic, so which I'm super stoked about, because when I looked at other videos, it was like it was extremely hard and it wasn't. And so yep, you're gonna noise making again. I'm by a highway. So make a long story short, I got it in. I was super excited. No bolts or nuts got broken, which is a big plus. I'm unplugged it. Usually I'm plugging certain tools in, but I thought this came in super handy for me, because I was also, when I did my oil pan, I had to swap out the oil filter. It's so damn loud. The other ain't getting no lights. So actually, this right here actually came in handy. It's for your, real clear. There we go. So it's for your end cap oil filter, which is super cool. This is good to have. And I got this through Harbor Freight, and I'll put a link and stuff like that online underneath the channel. Which is, like I said, this came in handy because my other filter that I had, I couldn't get loose. So I tried with my hand. I was like, all right, this is not working out. But like I said, that actually came in good because, you know, some people already used it, but like I said, for me, it came good and handy. And like I always say, you got the tools, you got your knowledge. Deuces.